Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, let's tackle the service reminder light. To begin, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the info button on your dashboard repeatedly until the service reminder message is displayed. Once you see it, simply press and hold the info button for a few seconds until the light resets. It's a quick and easy way to clear that notification. Next, let's discuss resetting the tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, light. First, make sure all your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Once pressures are correct, drive your Outlander at a speed of at least 15 miles per hour for about 20 minutes. The system should then recalibrate itself, and the TPMS warning light will turn off automatically. Now for resetting your infotainment system if it's acting up. This is often a simple fix for minor glitches. Look for a small, recessed reset button on the unit itself. It's usually tiny. You'll need a thin object like a straightened paper clip or a pen tip to press it. Gently push and hold the button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. The system will then power down and restart, hopefully resolving any issues you were experiencing. Finally, let's cover a more comprehensive reset for the engine control unit, or ECU, by disconnecting the battery. First, ensure your vehicle is completely turned off. Then, carefully disconnect the negative terminal from your car battery. It's important to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before reconnecting it. This process can help clear minor computer errors and sometimes improve overall vehicle performance. Always ensure a secure connection when finished.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.